Hello everyone, it's the Naughty Investor. So a lot of people who are in my audience are very much into cryptocurrency, of course, very much into internet privacy, right? Now, if you don't yet have a VPN, you definitely should get one. Now, I've done multiple videos in the past about the difference between free VPNs and paid VPNs, but to give you a summary, just a quick little thing. Free VPNs are not really free. They have to make money somehow, and typically they're going to be selling your data to advertisers and things like that. Free VPNs are not the way to go. There are really, really affordable VPNs out there, and one of them is Pure VPN. Now, I am not sponsored by them. I do have a discount link with them in the description. Right now, if you use my link in the description, you could get 88% off for their Christmas sale, and this is for limited time only, okay? 88% off. Now, what this is basically $1.32 a month for their 5-year plan. Now, this is very, very affordable. If you don't think you want to do a 5-year plan, if you do want to just take it more on a yearly basis, that will also still be discounted by 62%, where you can get it for about $4 per month. So that's just a one-time payment for the whole year, and it averages out to $4 per month. You could also do the 5-year plan, which is 88% off, like I just said, and that is basically all up front, but it's for 5 years. It'll last you a very long time. That's only $1.32 per month, excuse me. And the final plan, which is still very affordable and a really, really good plan, is 1 month, which is $10 per month. This is for people who want to take it on a month-to-month basis. Now, another really cool thing before you click away is they have currently a $1 7-day trial, so you could actually test out the service before you even buy it. That is probably what I would recommend, but I'm telling you right now, I've used the service. This is a very good VPN, my favorite so far. I've used other VPNs in the past because I've been involved in cryptocurrency stuff. So Pure VPN, link in the description. If you use my link, you get access to this amazing discount offer, up to 88% off. There's really no reason not to go through with this. That you could get access to basically content that is locked in your area. So if like a Netflix show is on that's not in your area, you could get content like that. Your privacy is the biggest reason why I advocate for people to get VPNs. Your privacy is guaranteed with our anonymous VPN IPs, military-grade encryption, and global network of VPN servers, and of course, blazing fast speed. So this is the best option for you. Definitely look at the 5-year plan. If that's not for you, definitely look at the 1-year plan. 62% off. This is not going to last, guys. That's the only reason I'm doing a video on this right now. 62% off. Do the 1-year plan at a minimum, because that is going to save you a lot of money in the long haul. Definitely don't get caught with your pants down. Don't get caught with your privacy being compromised. Stick to a VPN, stick to Pure VPN, link in the description. And yeah, that's it for this video. I will catch you next time. Link is in the description, and I hope you have a great day.